Hi to everyone, welcome to NCC channel. My name is Naresh, chemistry lecturer. Today I would like to discuss some tricks for oxoacids of phosphorus. Oxoacids of phosphorus. It is very important concept in mains, eamcet and neet. Now in this video we can learn how to write formulas and structures in easy way method by using tricks. Now coming to oxoacids of phosphorus, metaphosphorus acid, metaphosphoric acid, orthophosphorus acid, orthophosphoric acid, hypophosphorus acid, hypophosphoric acid, pyrophosphorus acid, pyrophosphoric acid. Now metaphosphorus acid. Metaphosphorus acid. In shortcut we can consider MP. Now orthophosphorus acid. In shortcut we can consider OP. Hypophosphorus acid. In shortcut we can consider HP. Pyrophosphorus acid. In shortcut we can consider PP. Okay, MP, OP, HP, PP. If you remember these four terms, you can see all these acids. MP, metaphosphorus, metaphosphoric. OP, orthophosphorus, orthophosphoric. HP, hypophosphorus, hypophosphoric. PP, pyrophosphorus, pyrophosphoric acid. Okay. Now coming to tricks. These tricks completely based on our imagination. If you have good imagination, you can understand easily. Now coming to metaphosphorus acid, MP. Now let us imagine M means mono. So mono means 1. Now MP, the term MP, reverse the term MP. When we reverse the term MP, we get PM. PM is a time indication. Already you know that PM is a time indication. Already you know that at noon time exactly 12 o'clock. We get PM. AM converts into PM. So that's why we can write 12, 112. So 112 means we can write the formula HPO2. H1P1O2. So no need to mention 1. That's why we can write HPO2. Now coming to metaphosphoric acid. So one oxygen is more. That's why we can write 113. That is HPO3. Now coming to orthophosphorus acid. OP. Now let us imagine OP, outpatient OP. So nowadays in small hospitals, the minimum OPP is 300. For example, you have got seat number 13. So that's a 313. Now the formula is S3PO3. For example, you are not remembering your seat number. Now coming to OP. O means octa, P means penta. Octa means 8, penta means 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. Now coming to orthophosphoric acid. One oxygen is more. That's why you can write 314. The formula is S3PO4. Now coming to hypophosphorus acid. Let us imagine HP gas cylinders. Already you know that. In olden days, the cost of HP gas cylinder is minimum 300 rupees. And he used to given delivery at exactly 12 p.m. That's why 312. So in olden days, HP gas cylinder, the cost of HP gas cylinder is minimum 300 rupees, and he used to given delivery at exactly 12 p.m. That's why the code is 312, and the formula is S3PO2. Nowadays it becomes double. HP gas cylinder becomes double. The cost is doubled. So double it, 624, and reverse it, 426. So the formula of hypophosphoric acid is H4P2O6. Now coming to pyrophosphorus acid. Let us imagine PP. Pyro means how many letters are there in pyro? 4 letters are there. Now P means 5. Let us imagine P means 5. 5 5s are 25. 425. It is a code, and the formula is H4P2O5. For another trick. PP means phone pay. For example, you have given 425 rupees to your friend through phone pay. Through phone pay. After some days he return back to you with 2 rupees interest. With 2 rupees interest, 427. So the formula is H4P2O7. So in this way we can write the formulas in easy way. Now coming to structures. First one, metaphosphorus acid. The formula is HPO2. In all these structures, PO group is common. Now, in formula of HPO2, already written PO. Remaining oxygen atoms 1, and remaining hydrogen atoms 1. So one oxygen atom can combine with one hydrogen and it can convert into one OH group. So this is the structure of metaphosphorus acid. Now coming to metaphosphoric acid, the formula is HPO3. First write PO group is common, and the remaining oxygen atoms 2, and remaining hydrogen atoms 1. One hydrogen atom can combine with one oxygen atom and it can form one OH group, and the remaining oxygen atom exists as a double bond O. So this is the structure of metaphosphoric acid. Now coming to orthophosphorus acid, the formula is S3PO3. First write PO is the common. Remaining oxygen atoms 2. These two oxygen atoms can combine with the two hydrogen atoms and becomes two OH groups. And the remaining hydrogen can exist as a pH bond. Now coming to orthophosphoric acid, the formula is S3PO4, and P double bond is the common. Remaining oxygen atoms 3 and remaining hydrogen atoms 3. 3 oxygen atoms combine with 3 hydrogen atoms and can form 3 OH groups. So this is the formula for the phosphoric acid. Now coming to hypophosphorus acid, the formula is S3PO2. First write PO group as common. Now remaining oxygen atoms 1 and remaining hydrogen atoms 3. So this one oxygen atoms can combine with one hydrogen atom and can form one OH group, and the remaining hydrogen atoms can exist as pH bonds, 2 pH bonds. Now coming to hypophosphoric acid, H4P2O6. There are 2 phosphorus atoms. Here in this formula there are 2 phosphorus atoms, that's why we can write first 2 PO groups, and the remaining oxygen atoms 4, and the remaining hydrogen atoms 4. These 4 hydrogen atoms can combine with 4 oxygen atoms and can form 4 OH groups, and each phosphorus atom attached to 2 OH groups, and one bond can exist in between PP bond. Now coming to pyrophosphorus acid, H4P2O5. Here also 2 phosphorus atoms. First we write 2 PO groups. Here odd number of oxygen atoms. If any compound contains odd number of oxygen atoms with P2 molecule, so there will be POP bond can exist. Remember that if any molecule has odd number of oxygen atoms with P2 molecule, there will be POP bond can exist. And already we written 3 oxygen atoms, remaining 2 oxygen atoms. Remaining 2 oxygen atoms can combine with 2 hydrogen atoms. They form 2 OH groups, and the remaining hydrogens can form 2 pH bonds. This is the structure of pyrophosphorus acid. Now coming to pyrophosphoric acid, that is H4P2O7. The formula is H4P2O7. Here also 2 PO groups are there. First write 2 PO groups and odd number of oxygen atoms with P2 molecule. So that's why there will be POP bond can exist, and already written 3 oxygen atoms. Remaining 4 oxygen atoms can combine with 4 hydrogen atoms and form 4 OH groups. Each phosphorus can attach with 2 OH groups. This is the pyrophosphoric acid. See, in this way we can write the structures easy way. Now coming to oxidation state, this is the most important. Oxidation state of phosphorus. Now double bond O. oxygen double bond O -2, hydroxide always -1. Now -2 -1, it becomes -3. If it comes to right side, it becomes +3. The oxygen state of phosphorus is +3. Now coming to phosphoric acid, metaphosphoric acid, there are two double bonds O, oxygen -2, hydroxide -1. So -2 -2 -4, -1 -5. So it becomes +5. The oxygen state of phosphorus is +5. Now coming to orthophosphorus acid, in this structure hydroxide -1, oxygen -2, hydroxide -1, hydrogen +1. So -1 -3 -4, -4 + 1 -3, -4 + 1 -3, it becomes +3. The oxygen state of phosphorus is +3. Now coming to orthophosphoric acid, here two OH groups, -1 -1 -1, oxygen is -2. So -2 -3 -4 -5, it becomes +5. The oxygen state is +5. The oxygen state of phosphorus is +5. Now coming to hypophosphorus acid, and coming to oxygen state of phosphorus is oxygen -2, hydroxide -1, hydrogen +1, hydrogen +1. Now -2 -1 -3, so -3 + 2 -1, it becomes +1 oxygen state. Now coming to hypophosphoric acid, now oxygen -2, hydroxide -1, hydroxide -1, phosphorus 0. So -2 -1, so -1 -2 -3, -3 -1 -4, it becomes +4. The oxygen state of phosphorus is +4. Now coming to this one, -2 -1 -1, so total -2 -3 -4, so it becomes +4. Every phosphorus oxygen state is +4. Every phosphorus oxygen state is +4. Now coming to pyrophosphorus acid, in this hydroxide -1, double bond O -2, here oxygen, single bond oxygen always -1, hydrogen +1. So -1 -2 -3 -4, -4 + 1, -4 + 1 -3, it becomes +3. It becomes +3. And oxygen double bond O -2, hydroxide -1, hydrogen +1, single bond O -1. Now total -1 -3 -4, -4 + 1 -3, it becomes +3 oxygen state. Every phosphorus has +3 oxygen state. +3 oxygen state. Now coming to pyrophosphoric acid, so double bond O -2, hydroxide -1, hydroxide -1, single bond O oxygen -1. Now total -3 -4 -5, total +5. Phosphorus has +5 oxygen state. Now coming to -2 -1 -1, and single bond O -1, total so -5, and it has +5 oxygen state. So every phosphorus has +5 oxygen state. So in this way you can discuss oxygen state. We discuss oxygen state. Thanks to all for watching my video.